check this out. It's been it's been about 3 days. I came back out here, used some elbow grease, and I scrubbed this bugger. Look at it, man. Like, I mean, I only cleaned the top half. I cleaned these out. I think I got a shot of those in the other video. You can see how gross that was. But I mean, look at the paint on this thing, man. It's freaking glowing white now. Look at that. So I'm thinking maybe I should paint it. Just the top half. You know, like, what do you think? Should I paint the top half orange? Or should I paint the top half, whatever the hell, and repaint this part to match the top? Got an idea? Any suggestions there, guys? Yeah. I mean, it's pretty flat. There's no shine to her anymore. So, I mean, good candidate for a paint job. But she cleaned up pretty good. I need a new strap for on there. She's a work in progress. Alrighty, check this out. So, if you'll notice, there's no numbers on there. I gotta buy numbers. So, since I have to buy numbers, I went and bought a used Cricut instead. It's got a bunch of hair in it. Might be usable. I don't know. But check this out. Okay, so I'm going to show you the Cricut first. And I got a whole bunch of extra stuff, which was like a super bonus, man. Alright, there's the Cricut. That's one of those things you can make all your own decals and stuff. So, that's cool. I can make all my numbers. I can also make the name of my boat. Check out all the extras she threw in. She just found all these extras. This was not included in the deal. I just spent 140 bucks on a new Cricut. Holy crap, look at all these heavy freaking rolls. Dude, that's all goddamn pink. I guess this is stencil stuff. Yeah, cool. So that's a trend. I don't know. Whatever. Bonus. I'm doing well. It's all pink. It's all pink. Oh well, whatever. I got a bunch of stuff, which is a bonus. Let's go learn how to use this thing. We got wood. Went out yesterday, bought a crap load of wood, bought some other supplies, got some screws, got some fiberglass. Check that out. Now we're gonna go up here. And here's where I'm gonna build, where we're gonna build the deck here. I'm at my buddy Donnie's place. He's played around with a few boats in the past, and let's just say I'm very grateful. What's up, Don?
Hey!
Oh, we got the second half going in now. Check that out. Nicely cut. This thing is like way more solid than she was. There's a crap ton of screws. They're all grabbing really well. That's a little off, but not a big deal. Just gonna load this thing up with a bunch of glue. Mix up some fiberglass. We're gonna run some fiberglass all along the edges. And we're gonna go for something to eat, and we're gonna come back and get out the epoxy paint and give her a paint job, I guess, eh? Yeah. And build the deck. It's recording already.
Of course.
I might have to get in there to do this. I don't think I'll be able to do it. I have to crawl inside and do it.
Okay, that's okay. You got lots of footage. Let me out first because there's not enough room for the two of us in this little boat.
And that floor's solid.
Say cut. Oh, that one's better than that.
You smell that fiberglass. Safety squint. Oh, you got glasses.
18 and a half, 20 and a quarter.
Nice bracing, dude.
Oh yes.
That, eh? Afraid this thing ain't going anywhere.
Not bad at all.
This thing ain't going anywhere. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna make like a little fishing deck up here in case you're wondering what it is.
Wow.
And we got one part in, which is good. You know, let's lift it up here for a second. Nice and strong underneath. Perfect. Leave a little bit of a gap here. Put a door, put you know, life jackets or whatever up front. Anchor, stuff like that. Be good to go. I'll bring her home. Give her a nice little carpet job after I soak it in paint. So we're cheaping out. Well, not really cheaping out, but all these here, this is old work t-shirts I had. But I've used them before making like those speaker pods and stuff for automotive stuff back when I was into car audio. This stuff here, it works great. Soak it with the resin, roll it all over the place, and we'll connect the two. Once that's done, give a nice little paint job here and up front on the deck. And gonna have to cut some stuff for here, but we're getting there. Actually, I'm doing some work on this thing because I've been holding the camera most of the time. Well, actually, Donnie's been doing most of the work. I've just been his bitch. But now it's my turn to do some work. We did the fiberglass all the way around. It didn't turn out the way I wanted, but it's in there, it's sealed, we're good. And now it's just time to seal up the front. We got the front sealed, sorry, now it's time to seal up the back. So there you go. Here's where we're at so far. Let's check this out. This came all the way here. It didn't look like that when we came home.
Still just hanging?
Yeah. Yeah, that guy's traveled probably about 100 kilometers. And I was gonna get ready to go, but I gotta let him dry out so he can fly away now. Oh well. Just put those in. Totally forgot. We're getting there. Slowly getting there. We're getting there. Yeehaw. Nice and solid in here. Floor's dry, but I'd rather not mark it up. That's going to be a little flippy door. Cool. So I think before I put carpet or anything in here, before I fill all those gaps in there, I think what I'm going to do is I'll probably paint the top of this, paint it gray or something like that. Make it a little different. Who knows? Yeah, probably paint it gray. Sounds good.